Incorporating videos into your marketing strategy is a powerful way to engage your audience, convey complex messages more simply, and enhance brand recall. Here are 3 effective ways to add video to your marketing efforts. The first is a social media campaign. Think about how you can leverage platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube to share short, engaging video content. Tailor your content to each platform's audience, and think about quick tutorials, behind the scene looks, maybe a user-generated content challenge. Use these videos to highlight your brand's personality, showcase your products or services, and interact with your community. The key is to create content that is shareable and relevant to the interests of your audience. Don't forget to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and hashtags to increase visibility. Next, think about putting video on your website and blogs. Embedding videos onto your website or your blog can significantly enhance user engagement and SEO. You can do product demonstrations, testimonials, explainer videos, and company culture videos that can make your site more interactive and keep visitors engaged longer. Ensure that videos are optimized for web performance to maintain fast loading times and are accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Consider creating a dedicated video gallery or integrating videos into product pages and blog posts to enrich the user experience and provide valuable information in an easily digestible format. Another way is in email marketing. Incorporate videos into your email marketing campaigns to increase open rates and engagement. Videos can be especially effective for product launches, tutorials, customer testimonials, and special announcements. Since most email platforms don't support direct video embedding, you can include a thumbnail image of the video linked to the video hosted on your website or a video sharing platform like YouTube. This approach not only draws the recipient's attention, but also drives traffic to your website or web channel. Make sure to add video in the subject line to boost the open rate. When creating video content, focus on storytelling and adding value to your audience's experience. Keep your messages clear, concise, and aligned with your brand. Also, measure the performance of your videos to understand what resonates with your audience and how to refine your strategy over time. When using video in all that you're doing, it can increase your engagement and your visibility. And if there's anything we can do to help you with your video production, contact us at edumarketing.com. We would love to help.